I want you to picture this. You walk into a casino in Las Vegas. Bright lights, ringing slot machines, the sound of cards shuffling and chips clinking. You glance around for a clock. Nothing. You look for a window to see if it's day or night. Nothing. And suddenly you realize something strange. You have no idea what time it is. You don't know if the sun is shining or if it's midnight. And you've been gambling for... Wait, how long have you actually been here? Every year, casinos generate over $50 billion in the United States alone. And a huge part of that success comes from one deliberate design choice. But here's the surprising truth. The missing windows aren't just about blocking sunlight. They're part of a carefully engineered psychological system designed to keep you inside, spending money longer than you ever intended. Today, we're uncovering why casinos have no windows, the hidden psychology behind their design, and why these timeless, windowless rooms quietly manipulate your brain. On The Unexpected History. Let's start at the beginning. For most of entertainment history, venues had windows. Theaters, restaurants, hotels. People liked knowing what time it was, seeing daylight, and feeling connected to the outside world. Early casinos in the mid-20th century were no different. Some had windows, some had clocks. But then casino designers started studying behavior. They tracked how long people gambled, when they left, what made them stay. And they discovered something powerful. When people lost track of time, they gambled longer. If a player didn't know whether they'd been there for 2 hours or 6, they kept playing. Simple. So windows started disappearing. Clocks vanished from walls. And casinos transformed into what designers now call timeless spaces, environments where your brain's natural rhythm gets disrupted. That's an important distinction we'll come back to. Here's where most people miss the strategy. There isn't just one reason casinos remove windows. Time distortion means disorientation, not comfort. Without windows or clocks, your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock, loses its anchors. Normally, sunlight tells your brain it's morning. Darkness signals night, but inside a casino it's always the same. Bright lights, constant noise, no natural cues. Your brain can't gauge how long you've been there, so you stay far longer than planned. The no-exit effect is different. This one is about visual flow, not physical barriers. Casinos are deliberately designed as mazes, winding paths. No straight lines to the door, and no window showing you the exit or reminding you there's an outside world. When you can't see the street, the sunset, or your car in the parking lot, leaving feels abstract. Staying feels easier. Emotional isolation is the real manipulation. Windows connect you to reality. They remind you of responsibilities, work tomorrow, family waiting, bills to pay. But without that visual reminder, casinos create a bubble, a separate reality where normal life doesn't exist. You're not a person with a mortgage. You're just a player, and players keep playing. So when people say casinos have no windows for ambience, they're missing the calculated psychological engineering designed to maximize profit per customer. Here's something that surprises many people. Casino designers don't stop at removing windows. They control nearly every sensory detail to keep you gambling. They pump in pure oxygen to keep you alert and energized. They use specific scent diffusion systems, subtle fragrances that create comfort without being obvious. They design carpets with busy, maze-like patterns that discourage you from looking down and noticing the time on your watch or phone. They position slot machines in clusters that force you to walk past hundreds of games just to reach the bathroom. Even the sounds are engineered. Slot machines play in the key of C major, a universally pleasant frequency. Winning machines are louder than losing ones, creating the illusion that everyone around you is winning, when statistically, the house always wins. To maximize playtime and revenue, casinos use what's called labyrinth design. That means there's no clear path to anything. The exit isn't visible. Restaurants are hidden deep inside. Even the cashier is hard to find. Every element is designed to keep you circulating, playing, and spending. This is especially true for high roller rooms and VIP areas, which are often the deepest inside the building. Maximum distance from reality. That's why seasoned gamblers set phone alarms and strict budgets before entering, because the environment is designed to override your self-control. So, should you avoid casinos altogether? Not exactly. Windows matter most in spaces where you need to maintain awareness, make rational decisions, or track time accurately. But for entertainment venues designed to create escapism, immersion, and fantasy, removing windows serves the business model, not your best interest. Your awareness still matters. Setting time limits, budgets, and recognizing manipulation tactics are often better protections than willpower alone. Casinos are psychological playgrounds, not neutral spaces. So the next time you step into a casino and feel like time has stopped, remember this: windowless design wasn't created to make the space more elegant or luxurious. It was created to keep you inside longer, spending more by severing your connection to the real world. Understanding how these environments manipulate perception can help you recognize when you're being influenced, make smarter choices about your time and money, and see that sometimes the most glamorous rooms hide the most calculated traps. If this surprised you, give the video a like and share it with someone planning a Vegas trip. And subscribe to The Unexpected History for more hidden stories behind everyday things. Because sometimes the most dazzling places hide the most deliberate deceptions.